Alright, so welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, this is going to be part 2 of working on the X2, and pretty much all I'm going to do in this video is just clean out the inside. So here is a good idea of what this looks like now. And I might pull the water box. I'm not sure, just to see if, because there's probably a mouse nest in it, because there's usually mice nests in water boxes for some reason. But yeah, I'm probably going to just clean this thing out. Maybe go get some purple power. I don't think I have any, so I'd have to run to the store and get some, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then possibly spray down this motor with the foamer stuff, but I don't know if it's going to do anything. Or if, well, I don't know if I'm going to use that motor. So, but anyway, if you guys like this video, definitely hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and drop me a like if you're new. And hopefully you guys are liking the X2 content. So let's get into the video. Alright, after one round of cleaning it, this is how clean it is. I mean, I don't even think I need to clean it again. I might try to like just kind of wipe it out, but other than maybe pulling the water box, this thing's so clean. It's insane how clean this is. So yeah, probably gonna maybe try to clean up the outside a little bit. I gotta put the dog in the house, and then, but I'm not gonna put water in this thing. It doesn't need it. Just try and clean up the outside, spray it down. The guy I got it from, I think he said he power washed it, which is unfortunate because he's pretty lucky that the graphics didn't just come right off. But yeah, it needs a wash. So I think I would foam it with my foamer, but I think I'll just sponge wash it and rinse it because obviously the electronics are exposed and all that. So I'm going to probably put the dog in the house and then end up doing that. As long as it's not raining, which is what happened the last time I was washing a ski when I was about to rebuild it. Here is said ski. Alright, I just went and washed it. And I also decided I'm going to take off these end pads here. So I'm gonna do that right now. There, hopefully you can see that. Hopefully my mic's on. This is kind of a bad design, but I should be able to get these by myself. It might be easier with two people though. Is there? Oh, okay. And then I'll just have to get a little Ziploc bag to put this stuff in. Because I'm assuming these can't go back on until I re-turf it. Which I won't be doing anytime soon. But I just think it's cool it even has these things. But it looks like this back one got put on too hard, like too tight. And wow. And yeah. Kind of looks like, I don't know. It would have been, if it wouldn't have been put on so tight, it would have probably not cracked. There's two. Let's move you to this side. I might push it back outside and watch it again if I get the turf off. But Courtney's not here, and last time we had to take turf off, we just used her multi-tool, and I don't think it has any blades. Well, it spins. Does that really want to come off there? I don't think you can put an Allen head in there. Wow, that's real tight. Alright, so I got, yeah, I started taking this apart, got this stuff out. Look how much, not so much on that side. I mean, there is some on that side. But look at how much like sand is in this. So I'm gonna peel this turf up. It should come off pretty easy. And then I'm gonna push it back outside and spray it down again. All right, I'm not sure how much more time left I have on this on the SD card, but pretty much here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like after I cleaned it. This side doesn't really look a lot different because I already took the turf off, but yeah, it's clean. I don't think that's gonna do very much in there. There's a little bit, got a little bit of water in there. I'll leave the hood off. I'm obviously leaving the hood off. The e-box and the fuel lines are hanging out, so I think that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, be sure to subscribe, drop me a like, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. What should I do with this thing? I'm not touching the graphics. I do have to put new stickers on it, but that's just because it's old, so it needs new stickers. And recover the seat, which I don't know if I showed the seat, but here's the seat real quick. So, but yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna clean up. I don't think I'm really gonna mess with it much. I gotta get the stator out of the motor and then possibly be putting it into, well, I think this motor doesn't have a flywheel in it right now, so possibly we'll be putting it into this. So I'll probably be doing that at some point, but for now, it's just gonna go over in the corner. I'll probably cover it up, and there won't be a lot of videos on it, but I've already got this video plus the first one where we went and got it, and then time traveled like 3 months later, 2 months later. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.